Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to lock a PDF like this. So here I am on Mac with my PDF open, this one here, and say for example you sign it and you fill out the form and you're going to lock it and send it back to the person to be, used. This is how we're going to do it. So we're in preview and we're going to go up to the top left and go File, Export, and we're going to export it as a PDF. In this case, we're going to save it to the desktop still. We might add in front of the title the word locked, so we can understand it's locked. Then we're going to change format to PDF still. And the other thing we want to do is look at permissions, and we want to require a password to open document. In this case, let's just set it to test so we can test it. And then you've got to enter it a few times here to verify that it's us who's doing it. And we've also got this option here, allow the following changes to be made without entering the owner password. If you want someone to allow to print it and copy it and do this sorts of stuff, select it without the password. But in our case, we're going to leave them ticked off. So let's hit apply and save it. And here is our locked PDF. It's right there. So we can open it up and you can see it's locked. So if we type the password test, hit enter, bam, unlocked. That's how easy it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.